Movie night. In a small, pretty town, there was a young couple named Mia and Liam who absolutely loved movies. They had a cozy house filled with movie posters and a huge collection of DVDs. Every Friday was special for them because it was their movie night. This Friday, their house was filled with the yummy smell of sweet caramel popcorn. Mia and Liam were super excited for their movie night. Picking a movie was always an interesting challenge. Mia, holding a DVD of Inception, said, "How about this one? It's full of cool dream adventures." Liam, flipping through another case, suggested, "Or what about Interstellar? It's got awesome space journeys." They laughed and talked about which movie to pick. Finally, they both smiled and said, "Let's watch the Grand Budapest Hotel. It's fun and full of adventures, just perfect for tonight." As they watched, they felt like they were in the movie's Grand Hotel. During a funny scene, Liam chuckled and said, "Look at that character's mustache! It's so funny!" Mia laughed and added, "And the hotel is so colorful and fancy." After the movie ended, they sat on the sofa, still excited. Mia said, "I really loved the bright colors and the cool buildings in the movie." Liam nodded. "Yeah, and the characters were hilarious. I liked how they all had their own funny quirks." They chatted about their favorite parts and what they thought the movie was really about, all while munching on the last bits of popcorn. These movie nights were more than just watching films. They were about Mia and Liam sharing what they loved. It made them feel closer to each other. So, every Friday night, their house came alive with the joy and excitement of movies. It was their special way to enjoy their time together and strengthen their bond.